Good day, nature lovers. Today we're embarking on a journey into the heart of the Australian bush to uncover the fascinating world of one of its most iconic inhabitants, the emu. As we traverse this sprawling savanna, the sight of the majestic emu striding across the landscape is a spectacle that captures the true essence of the Australian outback. Their powerful legs, carrying them gracefully through the terrain, are a testament to the strength and resilience of these remarkable creatures. With their striking appearance, emus are a sight to behold. Their shaggy brown feathers, sharp beaks and keen eyes make them stand out in the diverse Australian flora and fauna. These flightless birds are not only the largest native bird species on the continent, they're also one of the most unique. But emus are more than just a fascinating spectacle. They're a symbol of Australia and hold a special place in the country's culture and folklore. Emus have been a part of Aboriginal Dreamtime stories for thousands of years, and are even featured on the Australian coat of arms, standing tall next to the kangaroo. Emus exhibit some curious behaviors that make them even more endearing. They're known to be highly social creatures, often seen in pairs or small groups. And while they may not have the gift of flight, emus are excellent swimmers, often taking to water to cool off in the scorching Australian heat. Their distinctive booming call can be heard echoing through the bush, a deep drumming sound that serves as a unique soundtrack to the Australian savanna. This call, along with their unique dance-like movements, make the emu a captivating creature to observe and study. The Australian savanna is a harsh and unforgiving landscape, but the emu, with its adaptability and perseverance, thrives here, embodying the spirit of the Australian outback. So, as the sun sets on our exploration today, let's celebrate the emu, a true symbol of Australia's rich and diverse wildlife. These flightless birds are not only the largest native bird species on the continent, but also hold a special place in Australian culture and folklore. Join us as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of Australia's wildlife. Emus are highly adapted to life in the harsh and arid landscapes of the Australian bush. These birds are the epitome of survival, embodying the spirit of resilience and adaptation. They've evolved over millions of years to not just survive, but to thrive in their unforgiving environment. One of the most distinctive features of an emu is its long, powerful legs. These aren't just for show. They're a critical adaptation that allows the emu to traverse the vast expanse of the Australian outback with remarkable speed and efficiency. An emu can sprint at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour and maintain a steady pace of about 7 miles per hour for extended periods. This makes it one of the fastest birds on land, despite being flightless. But these legs serve another purpose too. Emus use their strong, clawed feet for defense. When threatened, an emu can deliver a powerful kick capable of fending off predators like dingoes and even humans. Now, let's shift our focus from the emu's legs to its beak. At first glance, it might not seem like much, but this sharp tool plays a crucial role in the emu's survival. It's designed for foraging, allowing the emu to dig into the soil and underbrush in search of food. Emus are omnivores, with a diet that ranges from plants and seeds to insects and small animals. The bird's sharp beak allows it to pick up small, hard-to-reach food items with precision. When it comes to water, emus are amazingly adaptable. They can go for weeks without drinking, getting most of their water from the food they eat. But when water is available, they drink and can even swim. Emus also have a unique way of coping with the scorching Australian heat. They take dust or mud baths. This not only cools them down, but also helps to keep their feathers in good condition. Their long legs allow them to cover great distances with ease, while their sharp beaks are perfect for foraging for food in the underbrush. Truly, emus are a testament to the power of adaptation. Emus play a crucial role in their ecosystems as seed dispersers and grazers. These towering yet gentle birds, with their beady eyes and feathered bodies, are much more than just a sight to behold in the Australian outback. They are a vital cog in the intricate machinery of the Australian bush ecosystem. Emus are known for their wide-ranging diet. Their daily menu may include everything from fruits, flowers, and insects to seeds and small reptiles. Consuming a diverse array of foods, they help to control the overgrowth of certain plant species, maintaining a balance in vegetation. This balance is crucial for the overall health of the ecosystem and the well-being of other species that share their habitat. But the ecological importance of emus extends beyond their dietary habits. As they roam the vast Australian plains, emus swallow seeds from the fruits and plants they consume. These seeds, undigested, are dispersed far and wide as the emus continue their journey. This process of seed dispersal is crucial for the propagation of many plant species. In fact, some seeds require the journey through an emu's digestive system to germinate successfully. From an ecological perspective, emus are a keystone species, meaning their presence and activities have a significant impact on the ecosystem's overall structure and functioning. They help foster biodiversity, influencing the distribution and abundance of other species in the ecosystem. Moreover, emus also play a role in nutrient cycling. Their droppings enrich the soil with organic matter, enhancing its fertility and promoting the growth of vegetation. This in turn supports other forms of wildlife, from insects to larger mammals, contributing to a thriving and diverse ecosystem. So, as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of emus, it becomes clear that their value extends far beyond their iconic status. They are environmental engineers, shaping the landscapes they inhabit, and playing a pivotal role in maintaining the health and diversity of their ecosystems. Their voracious appetite helps to control plant growth and promote biodiversity in the bush. However, emus are also vulnerable to habitat loss, introduced predators, and climate change. This might come as a surprise considering their robust adaptation to the harsh Australian outback. Nevertheless, these magnificent birds face a mounting array of challenges. First off, habitat loss is a pressing issue. As humans continue to expand into natural environments, emus often find themselves pushed out of their traditional territories. This results in loss of feeding and nesting grounds, disrupting their life cycles and decreasing their chances of survival. Then there are introduced predators. While emus are large and capable of defending themselves, their eggs and chicks are vulnerable to predation by invasive species such as foxes and feral cats. These introduced predators have a significant impact on emu populations, often causing a decline in their numbers. And let's not forget about climate change. The increasing frequency and intensity of heat waves, droughts, and wildfires associated with global warming pose a serious threat to emus. These conditions can lead to scarcity of food and water, causing stress and even mortality among these birds. But it's not all doom and gloom. Scientists and wildlife experts are raising the alarm about these threats and working hard to mitigate them. They stress the importance of maintaining and restoring natural habitats to ensure that emus have the space they need to thrive. They also advocate for robust predator control measures to protect emu eggs and chicks from predation. And they're studying the impacts of climate change on emus in order to understand how best to support these birds in a rapidly changing world. So while emus may be facing a tough road ahead, there's a lot that we can do to help them. By understanding the challenges they face, we can take steps to ensure their survival. After all, the resilience and adaptability of emus is a testament to the incredible diversity and richness of life in the Australian outback. Conservation efforts are essential to protect their habitats and ensure their survival. The story of the emu is a reminder that every creature plays a vital role in the intricate web of life, and it's up to us to safeguard their future. Conservationists and researchers are working tirelessly to protect emu populations and restore their habitats. This is where our tale of the emu takes a hopeful turn as we delve into the world of those dedicated to preserving this iconic species. Across the vast Australian landscape, a variety of conservation efforts are underway aimed at safeguarding the future of the emu. These range from habitat restoration projects to predator control measures, each playing a pivotal role in maintaining the emu population. Let's take a closer look at these efforts. Habitat restoration is a crucial aspect of emu conservation. Teams of dedicated individuals work to restore and preserve the unique ecosystems that emus call home. By rehabilitating lands affected by deforestation or bushfires, they provide these incredible birds with the space they need to thrive. But it's not just about the physical environment. Emus, like all creatures, need a balanced ecosystem to survive. This is where predator control comes into play. By managing the populations of introduced predators, conservationists help to ensure that emus can live and breed in safety. Furthermore, educational programs are being rolled out across the country, teaching people about the importance of emus to the ecosystem and how they can help protect them. The goal is to foster a greater understanding and appreciation of these magnificent birds, encouraging everyone to play their part in their conservation. But these efforts don't stop at the borders of Australia. International collaborations are also underway, with scientists and conservationists around the world joining forces to protect the emu and its habitat. From research studies to fundraising campaigns, the global community is pitching in to ensure the survival of the emu. It's a challenging task, but one filled with hope and determination. Each stride taken in emu conservation brings us one step closer to securing the future of these remarkable birds in the wild landscapes they have roamed for thousands of years. These efforts are crucial for the long-term survival of these iconic birds. So, as we take our leave of the Australian savanna and its majestic emus, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the tireless work being done to protect them. Their survival is our responsibility, and every effort counts.